Oh, morning everybody, it's Stack Smart Silver here again. And yeah, today I wanted to go through my elephant series. I managed to buy the 2009 and 2010 coins for about 30 quid, which I was really chuffed at. So I'm going to do, this is part two in the video series of these that I'm doing today to celebrate 300 subscribers. So thank you for everyone who subscribed, and I hope you enjoy this little bit of silver porn this morning. So we'll start with the 2009 Somalian elephant now. The interesting thing about the 2009 is that the 2016 elephant looks to me like it's been used off the same type of design. So let me just show you the 2016 alongside the 2009 coin. So let's have a look. Let's focus that in a little bit. So as you can see, the designs are very similar between these two coins. So you've got the 2016 on the right here, and the 2009 here on the left. So looks to me like they have used a similar design. Obviously the sun is setting on one of them and not on the other, so that's quite interesting, isn't it? So the 2009, let me just bring my mintage figures up. Okay, so previous to 2009, the 2008 and back coins to 2004 were mintage of 5,000. So they are plus £70 to buy at the moment. So I thought I would purchase these 2009 coins whilst I had the chance, because I think that they're gonna become rarer and rarer. So this is the 2010. I'm just going to bring the brightness up a bit for you. 2010. Really pretty. So I got this 2009 and 10 for about £32, which is a lot of money for me to buy. It's actually at the top end of my budget ever for buying coins. I never buy anything over 35 quid generally. So this is a 2011. This was part of the Fabulous 12 series in 2011. We've actually got the Canadian Maple Leaf from this series as well. Got a very pretty mirror finish on these elephants, which I really, really love. In fact, the design of these, I think, is second to none. So this is the 2012. I actually bought these 2012 elephants for about £23 each from Weight and Coin Wonders. Now I can't get on their website this morning to show you. Maybe they're doing some upgrades or something, but looks a little bit sad, this particular elephant, doesn't he? And I bought 3 of these 2013 elephants while they were cheap. I think these just are going to sell out very soon out of each of the retailers, and then you won't be able to get them again. So the mintage on the 9 is 130,000. The mintage on the 10 is 120,000. The mintage on the 11 is 170,000. And the mintage on the 12 is 80,000. And the mintage on the 13 is 130,000. So that's these coins. These are 130,000 coin mintage. Okay, and then I started buying the 14s recently from Silver to Go, so started getting these at really cheap prices after then. I think I paid like about 20 quid for this when it come out because the silver price was up a bit. And what's this one? This is oh, excuse me. This is the 15. Looks a bit angry, doesn't he? He's like, what are you doing taking a picture of me? And then I bought 3 of the 2016 model. So there you go. So only 2 of those there. Yeah, so that's my current, if you can get a picture of them all in, my current elephants from 2009 to 2016. Now, whether I collect any earlier than that, I doubt it, because I don't tend to spend any more than 35 quid on coins, so you never know. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll leave you with this picture of the 2009 elephant to finish. Thank you to my 300 subscribers, and I hope you've enjoyed the African elephants today with me. I think you'll agree, they're very beautiful coins. Please like, subscribe and comment. Let's stack smart silver together. Take care for now. Bye.